Welcome to the Virtual Women's Forum, a groundbreaking initiative empowering women across generations. This collaboration between WSD Women and the East African community, women's intergenerational dialogue paves the way for transformative connections. Our mission is to unite senior women leaders with young visionaries for mentorship and impactful dialogue. Centered on the theme, the role of digital technologies and social media in enhancing women's leadership and empowerment, we aim to inspire change. Join us as we explore barriers and best practices in business, technology, media, politics, and academia. Together, we foster a future where women lead fearlessly, empowered by digital tools and networks. Through shared experiences and wisdom, we cultivate a space for growth and innovation. Join us in this transformative journey and let's shape the future of women's leadership together.
Thank you to World Speech Day Women for the invitation and for curating the Virtual Women's Forum and the Voices of Women series in partnership with Women and East African Community, Women's Integrational Dialogue. Your platform brings senior women and young women together around real leadership, not slogans. I'm Rania Rageh, Head of Research Data Science and University Ranking at the Arab Academy for Science, Technology and Maritime Transport in Alexandria, Egypt. I lead ranking strategies, sustainability and social responsibility programs, and international collaboration. After decades of professional work, I chose to pursue my PhD in public health because for me, long experience should grow into scholarship and public value. I'm also a mother of two young men, raised them to find their own path straight. I believe that our roles in the family as mothers, daughters, partners don't compete with leadership. They deepen it. They sharpen our judgment and stretch our empathy. I started my career as an electrical power engineer in a family business, then moved into quality, sustainability, institutional excellence and auditing, building management system and advising on excellence models and ISO frameworks. I've worked on university rankings, designing initiatives that aligns with SDGs and turning them into actions. I've also written about the civic university idea and how campuses can work as living labs to turn research into benefits for the society. As you see, my path is cross-disciplinary but coherent. Of course, I have faced barriers during my career path. Early in my career, I often had to prove competence first in rooms not designed for women. My approach was arrive over-prepared, document rigorously, and let consistent delivery outlast bias. Also, working full-time with pursuing a PhD demanded architecture time, clear boundaries, and a calendar that reflects priorities, not other people's urgencies. We should acknowledge our roles in the family as mothers, wives, partners, and caregivers without apology. These roles are not in competition with leadership, they enrich it. Motherhood trained me to triage, listen, and plan for the long term. It also taught me to create systems at home and work that reduce chaos and preserve energy for what matters. Work-life balance is not a static 50-50, it is a dynamic integration. Some weeks demand intensity at work, others require presence at home. The goal is to enjoy each moment of the journey, not to meet an arbitrary formula. I protect family time like a board meeting, and I protect research time with the same discipline because both are investments in a life that is a whole. At the Arab Academy, we enhance women empowerment and engage with UNESCO Women's Platform. We also perform strongly on gender equality targets, enforce equal pay and transparent promotional pathways, and actively fund, mentor, and recruit women into engineering, maritime, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity. People often ask about balance. My answer is integration. My doctoral research informs institutional decisions on human well-being and how to sustain and improve on it. My role as a mother keeps my leadership human. None of these identities diminish the others. They complete one another. My recommendation for young women is do not wait for the perfect time. Design the conditions you need and move. Honor your family roles, protect your learning time, measure your impact, and build coalitions. The system rarely hands you margin. You engineer it. Then use that margin to open doors for others. Thank you.